Hello and welcome to English Parliamentary News. I am Dadi Ramadan. In this edition, we will present all the latest and interesting information around the House of Representatives of Republic of Indonesia. Following to garlic import from China, Commission 6 of the House encourages the government to maximize the potential of local resources, both natural and human resources, such as experts in agriculture and plantation, aims to realize Indonesia to be self-reliant and not dependent on other countries.
Speaking in Nusantara One Building, Senayan, Jakarta, recently, the member of Commission 6 of the House, Syarani Mataya, says the availability of food commodities such as garlic must not depend on other countries. According to him, Indonesia should be able to optimize utilization of its resources, whether natural resources as well as human resources such as professionals or experts in agriculture and plantations. Syarani continues to realize self-reliance and self-sufficiency in food. The government needs to provide financial supports to farmers that would enable them to manage their agricultural land. Syarani states even food imports are bound to be done. The government needs to strictly select the entrepreneurs who will be given the import rights in order to prevent the occurrence of monopoly or cartel.
Petani kita dengan barang-barang yang dari luar gitu. Ya ini harus kita membangkitkan petani kita. Makanya saya katakan tadi, begitu luasnya wilayah kita ini maksudnya tidak ada sama sekali kita membuka satu hamparan perkebunan, ya. Yang nantinya pakar-pakar pertanian kita, pakar-pakar perkebunan kita kan banyak gitu, seperti di EPB apa segala. Ini kan bisa memberikan rekomendasi, kita harus buka hamparan itu.
Meanwhile, the member of Commission 6 of the House, Nasir Al-Bahar, argues that there is a need for comprehensive and strict supervision as well as investigation to the import commodities, since there are a lot of conspiracy happens between the suppliers and licensors in the process. According to Nasril, coordination from each institution is required by clarifying the supply of other imported commodity flows to prevent cartelization, which always happen every year.
Tentunya ini adalah orang-orang yang sudah terbiasa, kelompok yang sudah terbentuk, ya, pemodal yang sudah cukup handal menskenariokan ini. Ya. Model skenarionya adalah ya melakukan pembentukan kelompok bisnis yang ada di luar, ya, sehingga alur daripada sumber komoditi tersebut dapat diberikan kepada orang-orang tertentu yang meminta impor dari Indonesia.
Mega Mario and Septia, TVR Parliament report.
Responding to the objection statement from Corruption Eradication Commission or KPK and National Narcotics Agency or BNN related special criminal provisions on corruption and narcotics criminal acts into the draft of Criminal Code Bill. Commission 3 of the House affirms the Criminal Code Bill will not reduce the authority of specialized constitutions and instead aligning all legal products that are currently overlapping.
Speaking in Nusantara 2 Building, Jakarta recently, the member of Commission 3 of the House, Muhammad Nasir Jamil, says provision of Corruption and Narcotics Crimes Act in the draft of Criminal Code Bill or KUHP aims to strengthen the existing laws. Nasir then continues, as a vital organ of state supporting system which has the function of legal action, it must be regulated in criminal laws and aligned with the law implied in the country.
Hasil kajian Komisi Hukum Nasional, kenapa dalam penegakan hukum sering sekali terjadi abuse, ya, karena salah satu faktornya karena KUHP ataupun hukum acara pidana kita itu adalah tafsirnya banyak gitu loh, ya, jadi masing-masing menafsirkan berbeda, sehingga kemudian menyebabkan berbedalah pemahaman dalam tindakan.
On the other hand, the member of Commission 3 of the House, Edi Kusuma Wijaya, demands all law enforcement agencies to set aside sectoral ego in discussing the draft Criminal Code Bill. Edi further says, currently, specific criminal offenses that have been approved are several criminal acts against human rights, such as genocide, crime against humanity, criminal acts in times of war or armed conflict, criminal acts of aggression, terrorism, corruption, and abuse of narcotics and money laundering.
Jadi undang-undang ini menjadi induk daripada semua peraturan-peraturan yang berkaitan dengan pidana, sedangkan yang bersifat material, sedangkan yang bersifat acara itu nanti ada di undang-undangnya masing-masing secara khusus.
Ayu Samsul and Septia, TVR Parliament Report.
Commission 10 of the House urges the government to improve the national standards of universities in Indonesia to ensure the quality of human resources in Indonesia. The government is also required to focus on accrediting campuses, study programs, and to strengthen the roles of university leaders.
Speaking after a meeting with the General Secretary of Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education, or Kemenristek Dikti, Vice Chairman of Commission 10 of the House, Ferdiansah, says the determination of national standards is very important for universities, especially to determine the continuation of development and careers for graduate students in the future. Meanwhile, Ferdiansah demands the government to improve the quality of human resources in campus environment, following to some findings related to a number of study programs in some universities that have not accredited and is considered quite apprehensive. Those human resources quality improvement is very much needed to make the presence of universities can be truly beneficial for the public.
Total jumlah ada 4.598 perguruan tinggi. Tapi secara angka partisipasi kasar hanya 31,6%. Artinya masih ada perguruan tinggi yang banyak sekali, bahkan secara data keterangan Ristek Dikti yang muridnya atau siswanya kurang dari 100.
Speaking at the same occasion, the member of Commission 10 of the House, Mujib Rahmat, deplores the reality of Indonesian higher education as the agent in creating high-quality human resources still considered as ineffective. Mujib further states, data collections and management related to the implementation of higher education will become the master plan to face the challenges and increasing global competition that has been becoming more complex and competitive.
Pertama dari sudut jumlahnya luar biasa, jumlah kita sampai 4.498 dan prodinya ada berapa tadi 20-an ribu apa 30.000 tadi ya, itu perlu kita evaluasi sehingga dengan demikian nanti barangkali apakah itu menjadi persoalan yang utama atau tidak gitu.
Siva Ade and Septia, TVR Parliament Report.
Commission 11 of the House will be more selective in choosing the Board of Commissioners in Financial Service Authority, or OJK, for 2017-2022 period. From 14 names proposed by President Joko Widodo, it is important to make sure that elected Board of Commissioners are completely neutral and credible both in banking and non-banking field.
Speaking after the meeting with a number of national finance and economic experts in Nusantara One Building, Jakarta, member of Commission 11 of the House, John Erizal, says Financial Services Authority, or OJK, the government and the parliament should be more open to any input and suggestion from the public and financial stakeholders regarding to the selection of OJK Commissioner Board. This is important so that OJK will be able to promote financial growth and public welfare. John further says the number of financial institutions under OJK supervision also become a consideration in selecting Commissioner Board of OJK. And this is aims to boost the effectiveness of Indonesia Financial Services Authority role in Indonesia financial world.
Jasa keuangan, bisa itu perbankan itu ada bank umum, ada BPR, bisa itu asuransi, bisa itu industri, jasa keuangan lainnya yang non perbankan, bisa juga bursa dan seterusnya. Itu di bawah kontrol OJK semua. Jadi memang size yang di watching atau diawasi atau diatur oleh OJK ini besar sekali.
The member of Commission 11 of the House, Kardaya Warnika, says the selected OJK commissioners must be proven qualified since they will create the regulation to financial institutions, including the levy that will be used to finance OJK operations.
Kalau di negara lain, lembaga semacam OJK ini diisinya oleh para praktisi tidak oleh para birokrat, sehingga mereka itu benar-benar mendalami, benar-benar memahami, dan mereka itu benar-benar merupakan wakil-wakil yang independen.
Naomi Heri and Septia, TVR Parliament Report.
Commission 5 of the House urges the Ministry of Transportation to make improvements and strict supervision of land, sea, and air transportation as an anticipation move to unwanted incidents during the upcoming Eid Mubarak 2017 travel.
Speaking after the recent meeting between Working Committee on the Architect Bill with the Ministry of Public Works and Housing, Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education, Ministry of Manpower, Ministry of Empowerment of State Apparatus and Bureaucratic Reform, and Ministry of Justice and Human Rights, the member of Commission 5 of the House, Neng Marhamah Zulfa, says the government must prepare everything, starting from transportation to the supporting infrastructures, as anticipate move to the flow of upcoming Eid 2017 travel. Neng continues, there must be a throughout coordination between related ministries and stakeholders, and anticipating congestion, as well as improving and supervising land, sea, and air transportation.
Tidak hanya Kementerian Perhubungan, tetapi juga Kementerian PUPera, terus kemudian keamanan, tentu polisi, laka lantasnya, terkait dengan infrastruktur. Nah, itu kan tentu harus di jauh-jauh sebelumnya kita dorong agar pemerintah segera mempersiapkan.
In line with Neng the member of Commission 5 of the House, Sharif Abdullah Al-Qadri, argued that the most important thing in the implementation of e-travel season this year is the coordination between ministries and stakeholders so that the implementation of e-travel season will be able to run smoothly. Furthermore, Sharif Al-Qadri also demands the Ministry of Transportation to supervise the feasibility of e-travel transportation means to avoid unwanted incidents from occurring.
Jalan-jalan yang tadi jadi jalan alternatif, jalan-jalan yang perlu perbaikan supaya untuk mempelajari itu kita minta ini udah bisa digunakan pada jalur mudik tahun ini berkaitan dengan kesiapan dari masing-masing stakeholder yang ada dalam rangka untuk memperlancar arus mudik lebaran itu.
Zikri Dwi Utomo and Septia, TVR Parliament Report.
Commission 1 of the House demands the government to allocate special funds to improve the quality of national film as an effort to build national film industry.
Speaking after the recent meeting with Film Censorship Institute or LSF in Nusantara 2 Buildings Senayan, Jakarta, the member of Commission 1 of the House, Syarifuddin Hasan, demands the government to provide sufficient budget to improve the quality of national films. According to Syarifuddin, a sufficient budget is essential to optimize the role of Film Censorship Institute. He further adds, through the Film Censorship Institute, Indonesian cultural values can be raised again, since according to him, many films have passed censorship requirement, despite the lack of censorship done before the films being consumed by the public.
Generasi bangsa kita menjadi taruhan, karena apa? Semua media tentang TV dan sebagainya itu kan dikonsumsi oleh generasi sekarang. Nah, kalau itu tidak disensor, kalau itu tidak dilakukan suatu bagaimana cara untuk mengeliminir pengaruh-pengaruhnya, kan berbahaya bagi bangsa dan negara kita.
Meanwhile, member of Commission 1 of the House, Saiful Bahri Ansori, says film production in the country are still unable to compete with international films. And this is caused by the budget that has not been able to give positive impacts to the national film industry. Hence, Saiful encouraged the government and Film Censorship Institute to enhance the control over national films quality in order to produce an interesting films to watch.
Kalau kita misalkan lihat di luar negeri, tolong di mana di Amerika, itu kan jadi industri betul, film jadi industri, sehingga menguntungkan bagi negara dan bagi masyarakat, bagi artis film. Kalau kita kan enggak, jadi filmnya itu masih gaduh-gaduh, belum profesional. Lah itu harus ditingkatkan semua.
Habibi Rangga and Septia, TVR Parliament Report.
Commission 5 of the House demands Pelindo Corporation to cooperate with local port authorities to clarify the differences of passengers amount in-ship manifest, with the evacuation result of the victim by National Search and Rescue Agency or Basarnas in the KM Mutiara Sentosa ship fire incident in the Masa Lembu Sumeneb waters, East Java Province recently.
Speaking after leading the specific visit of Commission 5 of the House to East Java Province, with the objective to review the recent burning of a motorized vessel, Mutiara Sentosa 1, Chairman of Commission 5 of the House, Ferry Jamie Francis, expresses his concern and condolence over the burning incident of KM Mutiara Sentosa 1 that killed 5 passengers. Aside from requesting the government to increase the supervision over data manifest passengers that are often confusing, Ferry also demands the government to increase supervision on sea transport, especially the inspection of special endangered goods, alleged to have caused KM Mutiara Sentosa 1 from being burned.
Simpang siur menyangkut jumlah penumpang di manifesto yang disampaikan oleh Sabandar dan juga dari Basarnas. Tadi sudah dapat penjelasan, kami akan mengecek secara dalam apakah itu benar data-data bahwa masih ada sekitar berapa orang, 26 orang itu yang belum dimasukkan jadi kebakaran. Nah, kebakaran itu menurut KNKT itu sebagai akibat ada muatan yang berbahaya. Nah, itu kita akan dalami.
Speaking in similar manner, the member of Commission 5 of the House, Anton Sihombing, demands the government to increase the supervision on sea transport activities to realize one of Indonesia's objectives to become world's maritime axis. Anton further suggests a revision of Law No. 17, 2008 regarding voyage.
Kita ini kan negara maritim, jadi tidak boleh dianggap remeh itu menuju tol laut dan poros maritim itu. Sangat banyak liku-liku. Kalau sekarang hanya pelabuhan, hanya kapal, hanya rute, belum lagi SDM-nya.
From East Java, Sanika Dwi and Septia, TVR Parliament Report.
And that rounds out this edition of English Parliamentary News. On behalf of all of the crew of TV Parliament, we would like to thank you for your attention. We will meet again in the next edition of English Parliamentary News. From me, Dadi Ramadan, once again, thank you for watching and goodbye.